Hi, I'm Christine. So today's video, I'm making adobo chicken and I'm gonna add potatoes, but first what I'm gonna do is use all of these ingredients and I'm going to marinate my chicken first. And my chicken is chicken thighs from Costco. I have 2 packs here and they're thawed out and I'm gonna stick them in there. So stay tuned. Okay, so what I learned is to cut your onion after everything because I started cutting my garlic and now my eyes are so watery, like it's so bad. Luckily I don't have any mascara on. Oh my goodness. Ah. So I learned not to do the onion first. Do the onion last. Okay, so you want to put, use a garlic smasher or whatever. And you want to get all your garlic down to the little core. You can see that. Oh. I usually like to use this for ginger, like make ginger tea. Than that. Oh, almost sliced me. So that's for, to push it out. Well, now I'm gonna smell like garlic. Garlic is done. So 4 garlic cloves. So now we're gonna do 1/2 cup of soy sauce. You need a lot of salt for this though. You need that flavoring. So in here I've got 1/3 of vinegar. Woo! Oh yeah, that smells like vinegar. Okay. Then we've got 1 cup of water. We're gonna do a couple of bay leaves. Let's do 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna do pepper. So with pepper, the easiest way is to do this. Let's do a teaspoon of brown sugar. This is like 1. Let's do another. So this is 1/2 teaspoon, so I'm doing 2, so it's 1 teaspoon. So peppercorn, I'm using the Kirkland peppercorn, and with this, it's brand new. It's, let's see. Ooh, that's strong. I'm going to do a tablespoon of peppercorn. Okay, my chicken is not open yet, so I'm gonna open up my chicken. I am a germ freak. I don't like touching chicken and all that. You can rinse this. I sometimes don't like to rinse it because I feel like I get germs everywhere. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut open the chicken, place it in here, and then dispose of these right away because I think it's so bad. As you can tell, I don't love cooking. I don't love handling chicken. I don't love this at all, but I do it because I have to make something to eat. 1 piece. Ugh, it's so squishy. 2. Oh my God, it's so slimy. Oh my God, hurry up. Get it over with. 4. Oh my God. Ugh. Okay, that's done. So I'll toss that in a second. Oh, now I have to touch. Ugh. I hate touching chicken. It's so gross to me. Okay. Oh, that. Oh, God. There's another piece. These are small chicken thighs, and I'm marinating them. To literally hold my breath. Okay, and I think there's one more in there. God. Oh. So what you want to do is let this marinate for a few hours. I'm actually going to go to work, so I'm going to let this marinate. When I come home, I'm going to fry the chicken up a little bit, just the outer, and then save the marinade for the actual cooking in the pot. And I'm going to use that. I might have to use a bigger pot, but I'm going to use a pot. And I think this is good. I don't want to smell it because I don't want to smell chicken, but I smell a lot of the vinegar and the soy sauce. So good. So there's a lot of aroma. If you don't want it to smell that much, then you gotta turn your fan on. So I have to do this. Short GoPro. It's boiling. It's not boiling, but it's cooking. And there you have it, chicken adobo with rice. I'm Christine. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe while you're here, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great one.